If you are running a Go High Level SaaS or web design agency and you have been booking a lot of meetings, but when it comes to close the client and get the payment, they either say, no, I don't have time for this, I don't have any money for this, and the worst case scenario, they won't even show up to the meeting. And if you don't want to go through this painful rejection again and again, watch this video until the end to solve all these problems and start closing more clients. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide SaaS and web design services to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. This will be the 5th episode of the free website offer course, and where I am teaching you how to have a profitable web design agency and SaaS agency within Go High Level with monthly recurring revenue. If you haven't watched those 5 videos, please go watch that video before watching this, because if you didn't, some of the aspect of this video won't make sense. So considering you have watched those videos, let's get back to this 5th episode. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain my closing script after booking the client. This is the presentation I use to close the clients by getting the payment. You can get everything you're seeing within this episode. Link is in the description and in the community. High converting website for less. Most website agencies charge 3,000 to 5,000. Converting visitor into leads, easy to navigate, is optimized for different devices, mobile optimization, ranking for few keywords, a modern and non-brand design. And again, if you haven't watched my first 4 videos, please go check it out. I've broken down everything part by part. And this is the 5th part of free website offer, where I reach out to clients with the offer of free website, and when they jump into the call with me, yes, they will be getting free website if they didn't accept any upsell. Even though if it's free, it's just going to take us for 30 minutes, changing the name, the logo, the description, and adding the domain and making it live within Go High Level with a free template. You don't have to sit down and build everything. You just have to change some stuff, connect the domain, make it online, and start collecting monthly recurring revenue as a hosting fees. This is example Western Beauty before. Westover Beauty, this business is in my local business. Since I'm reaching out to local business clients, they will see the name and they know that I have worked with neighboring local businesses. I have fixed this website to look like this. I made use of the custom CSS codes, which I've built inside my Go High Level agency. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Or if you want to get the free access and get the access to our community, free community, and access to me having meeting weekly and solving problems one by one, the link is in the description. All device optimization. This is the computer view. This is the mobile view. And this again, it's just going in depth and explaining your clients, because most of the your local business clients are not tech savvy. You have to explain why you are doing, how you're doing, and how it's going to impact their business. Customer reviews, product info, clear headline, organized header, clear call to action. We are spending too much time on the hero section because 70 to 80% of the viewers hang out in the hero section and then they leave. So you have to give more values in the hero section, and you have to explain this to your clients. Search engine optimization, yes, you have to show your existing testimonials and reviews. You can't just sign the clients by showing some websites. You're not selling websites. You're selling transformation to your clients. And blog post, this is one of my upselling, like the SEO and blog post. And this is the review automation I upsell my clients. This is the most high converting screen of my presentation. I will show you in a second how this works. So this is the review automation template. If I'm selling this to a client, I will put their logo and the background according to their business. For example, if they are giving 1, 2, or 3-star review, we have our own automation. So we will send this within an automation with their existing contact details, and they will be asking, what if they give us a negative review, even if you automate everything? So this is where it comes handy. When it goes below 4-star, like 3, 2, and 1, it's not gonna send them to a review page. It's gonna say, sorry to hear that you're not satisfied, and ask their name, email, and their feedback, and that's gonna send straight to your Lead Connector app inside your phone, and you can jump back with them and solve the issue. And it's gonna do two things. It's gonna reduce the negative reviews, and it's gonna increase your like business appeal, because you're actually solving some issues your clients going through. And if they try to give you 5 or 4 star, for example, if I click on this, it's gonna take them straight to your Google My Business page, asking them to leave a review. So it's a game changer. And when I explain this in live, showing them all the automations and showing them how it works, this converts really well. And if you want to make use of this review automation and or the funnel page, the survey, this presentation tool, everything you can find inside our community for free. Link is in the description. And this is where I put the template I got from Go High Level. You just have to go inside the Go High Level, go inside the template and get a template which is in your business niche, client's business niche, and just show them what you have built before going into the meeting. And you didn't spend any time, you didn't build anything, just took a screenshot of a pre-existing template. And this is where you close your client. And since we are offering free website, the site is gonna be free. That's why I striked out this first landing page, but I'll be upselling them with multiple offers. 5-page website for $6.99, 10-page website for $8.99, and everything more than that, I go for like 1,000 or 2,000 if they want in-depth multiple locations like SEO, those stuff. And this is another upsell, SEO, $197 a month, review automation, $197 a month, hosting, I'm just gonna charge 27 pounds a month. This is what keeps me getting more clients who pay me by outreaching them for free website. You will be getting more meetings with the free offer, and even if you couldn't upsell them with paid website or paid SEO or review automation, you still get to have 27 pounds for spending 30 minutes changing the logo, changing the location, changing the description, and adding the domain. And it's not just for 1 month. This 27 is gonna keep on adding up for all the clients you're getting inside your business. Let's say you got 10 clients with this 27 and you're just starting out your business. This will pay for your Go High Level. Your $297 plan will be paid by this hosting fees alone with 10 clients. And everything you make other than that is straight away goes into your pocket. So this is how I went from broke, like you can see, like minus 7 pounds to working like really hard jobs and to like getting into shape, because you have more time to go to the gym and do other stuff. And with the free offer, I started getting clients because I don't use Stripe that much. If I'm getting local clients, I want them to pay me straight into my account because I'm a kind of cheap. I don't want to give cut to Stripe. And these are a few of the clients I closed last week, 2,000 and 2,400. And this is the hosting fees I charge within the Stripe, because hosting fees you can't get inside your bank account. If I could, I would do it, but you can't. And if you want to access everything you watched in this video and all the course, all the resources, and weekly meeting to solve your problem and accountability system, everything you can find in the Wolfpack for free. And if you want every templates I have built for the whole entirety of my business, which is I'm gonna give out for free if you sign up with my referral link, which will be another private group only for affiliates, and I'll be accepting only 50 people within this affiliate group. So make sure to make use of it and kickstart your agency as soon as possible. Don't waste any more time. And in the next episode, I will go in depth on assign a client, what's next. I will go through all the onboarding steps to actually have a smooth system in place for your client and for you to collect everything to deliver the service as soon as possible. And if you don't want to miss out on these free resources, make sure to subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos. And if you want to make use of all the resources, courses, templates, make sure to check out the first link in the description to join our community. And I will see you guys in the next video.